Quinn, what you got? What you got, honey? Quinn. Do you fix Dada's bike while he's at work? Work. Oh, good. You got your tools. Okay. Well, you're going to need them because... Yeah, okay. You got the right tool for that? There you go. There you go. There. Okay. Okay. Oh, good, the hammer. What's that, a hammer? Can you say hammer?
Hammer.
Good. Oh, good job. Okay. All right. Okay, what's next? That. That is a socket wrench. Can you say socket? Quinn, can you say socket? That's pretty close. What else you got? An eggie. What's that doing in there? I don't know. What else you got? That. What is that? What is that? Okay. What is that, Quinn? Is that a screwdriver? Can you say screwdriver? Can you say driver? Oh, this. Okay. And hammer it again. Good job. Can you say screwdriver? Jar. Pretty close. It's a car. Yeah, a car. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Quinn? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy today? Is Daddy at work? You'll do it? Okay. What is that? Is that a wrench? That? I don't think you need that. Is that a vice? Can you say vice? Yeah. That's pretty good. Quinn? Where's Daddy today? That's right, Daddy's at work. Where's Daddy work? That's right. What is that? What is that? You want to open? No? What is it? That? What is that? Is that yellow? Is it a sucker? Yellow sucker, that's right. You putting your tools away? Are we all done? Done. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay. Quinn, look at Mama. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.